We stopped on question number 2. Again, we will discuss that an article is sold from Jaipur, that is Rajasthan, to Indore, that is MP, for rupees 5,000, and then from Indore to Bhopal, and Bhopal is in MP. If GST rate is 18% and the profit made by the dealer in Indore is rupees 2,000, fine. First is net GST payable by the dealer in Indore, and second is CP for the dealer in Bhopal. Assume that the dealer in Bhopal is the end user. Over here, you have to remember that end user does not have any claim on the GST paid by him. Okay, end user, you have to remember. Okay, that end user cannot claim for any type of GST paid by him. Okay, now let us proceed. Like in the first case, SP in Jaipur is how much? Rupees 5,000. And it is the case of what? Intra-state. That is from Rajasthan to Madhya Pradesh. And these are two different states. So only IGST will be calculated. So selling price in Jaipur is rupees 5,000. IGST will be 18% of 5,000. That is rupees 900. So CP in Indore is 5,000 rupees, and what was the profit? Rupees 2,000, because it is sold at a profit of rupees 2,000. Now SP in Indore will be what? 5,000 plus 2,000, that is 7,000 rupees. So because Indore and Bhopal are in the same state, so but obvious it is the case of intra-state. So that 18% rate of GST will be divided equally among CGST and SGST. That is 9% of each. 9% of 7,000 will be CGST, and 9% of CGST will be 9% of 7,000 will be SGST also, and they both will be equal to 630 rupees. So net GST paid by the dealer in Indore is equal to output GST minus input GST, and output GST will be what? 630 plus 630, that is CGST plus SGST. And what was the input GST? Input GST will be what? Rupees 900, because it was the case of interstate. So now over here it will be 630 plus 630 minus 900, that will give you rupees 360. Now for the second part, you have to calculate that CP for the dealer in Bhopal, and it will be equal to SP for the dealer in Indore plus GST, and it will be equal to 7,000 rupees. Okay, and plus, because we have already calculated in the first part that SP in Indore will be what? 7,000 rupees, and plus GST we have calculated as 630 plus 630, that is 8,260 rupees will be the CP for the dealer in Bhopal. So in this way you can proceed with all the sums of GST, and over here you have to note down again, I am telling you that the end user does not have any claim on the GST paid by him. End user means who does not sell the product further. So over here you have to remember that you have to practice the sums from the textbook and from the other reference books and test papers also. If you will face any difficulty, then you can just have a word with me on the WhatsApp group, okay, or my personal mobile number also. I will clear your doubts. Thank you.